Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening both spreadsheets and confirming you have edit or view access to the source. Once done, decide whether you need import range for cross-file sync, a direct cell reference for same file links, or a sheet-to-sheet reference for simple copying. Make sure to copy the exact sheet name and range like Sheet 1, A1 B10. You'll need sharing permissions for import range. If prompted, click Allow Access. This gets you immediately ready to insert the formula. You now construct the actual link. For same file linking type equals Sheet 1, A1 or equals Sheet 1, A1 B10 which is instant and updates live. For another file, enter equals import range, spreadsheet URL, Sheet 1, A1 B10, then grant access when Google prompts. Once the raw link works, make it robust. Use array formula to fill rows, filter to limit rows, or query to reshape data. Make sure ranges match expected headers and watch for header duplicates. Test with a small range before scaling up. You finish by tidying the linked sheet. Lock header rows, convert key ranges to named ranges, and document where links point. If you see #ref or hash value, first check sharing and that the reference sheet name and range exist. Import range often fails when access is not granted. If data looks stale, try reloading or editing the formula to force refresh and use version history to revert mistakes. One troubleshooting tip: open the source file and re-grant access, which resolves most permission-related breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.